Well, good morning, Carolina. Robbie Johnson coming to you from Carolina Beach with your Sunday morning video surf report. We've still got some swell here, not as big as last night, certainly, but we've got offshore winds, which we did not have last night, which has knocked the size down some, and that was more of a local wind swell anyway. But as we're looking at these waves here, there's some sets. Now it's a little deep, a little bit deep, tide's a little bit too high, but this wave you're looking at right here is just about thigh high. Yeah, in that range, but there are definitely some waves still out here in the chest high range. Just not seeing it right now, but there are some for sure over by the pier. Let's watch this wave. You see how deep it is, a backwash hitting this shore break. There's a nice little left that's easily waist high, maybe stomach high. So that's it from Carolina Beach. As we watch one more wave here, oh, look at this little right and left. Definitely in the stomach high range. So that's it from Carolina Beach for Sunday morning. We pan around and look at this sun. If you come down today, as always, pick up some trash. Leave our beaches cleaner than you found them. Have a great Sunday, everyone.